students, I welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus. Would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So students, in my last sessions we have discussed about percentage, profit loss, simple interest, etc. In my present session we will start with linear equations of one variable. Do you know what is linear equations? Linear equations 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 is a linear equation. In a linear equation, highest power of the variable is 1. In a linear equation, highest power of a variable is 1. Here the highest power of x is 1. 2x square plus 5x plus 9 is equal to 0. Is not a linear equation because highest power of the variable is 2 here. This is not a linear equation. Suppose 2 upon x plus 9 is equal to 3x is not a linear equation. It's not a linear equation because here the exponent of x is minus 1. Then you come to the conclusion that what is linear equation. Suppose y upon 5 plus 9 is equal to 0. Yes, this is a linear equation because here the highest power of the variable is 1. Let us solve equations. Solve the equation by transposing method. By transposing method means suppose x plus a is equal to b. This means x plus a minus a is equal to b minus a. When you subtract a number from LHS, you must subtract the same number from the RHS. This suppose x minus x plus a is equal to x plus a equal to b. Here x is added here. If you take it to RHS, it becomes minus x equal to b minus a. This is the solutions. Suppose 5x is equal to 9. Then x equal to 9 upon 5. Because 5 is multiplied here. When you take it RHS, it divides here. Okay. Then in this method we solve the equations. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Here the question said y upon 5 plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 15. Solve the equations, find the value of y. This means while you solving linear equations, always try to keep the variable in LHS and take the constant to the RHS. The 1 is here constant, we take it to RHS. This is positive, this is added here. When you take it to RHS, it is subtracted from there. Y upon 5 is equal to, take the 15 as the LCM, 1 minus 15 which equal to minus 14 upon 15. Then y upon 5 is equal to minus 14 upon 15. Here 5 is at the denominator. When you take it to RHS, it comes to the numerator. This is multiplied. 5 is divided here. When you take it to RHS, it gets multiplied with this. Then 5 got with this. Then we get the solutions y equal to minus 14 upon 3. This is the solution of the linear equations. Y equal to minus 14 upon 3. Then next question. Next example. Here the question says y upon 2 plus 8 upon 3 is equal to 31 upon 6. Then here I have already told you, keep the variable in LHS and take the constant to the RHS. Take the constant to the RHS. Y upon 2. Then here 6 and 3. 6 is the LCM. 31 minus 16. Here 6 divided with 3. We get 2. 2 multiply with 8. This is minus 16. Which equal to 15 upon 6. Then 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. Then we get y upon 2 is equal to 5 upon 2. Here 2 is at denominator. When you take it to RHS, it goes to the numerator. Means 2 is divided here. when we take it to RHS, it get multiplied here. 2 cancel, we get the solutions y equal to 5. This is the solution. Then another question. I have already told you, please practice variety of questions. Then it will be easier for you to appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Here solve and check. Here solve and check. Solve and check. Then how can you check? At first find out the value of k, then put it in LHS and you must find the RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Here 2 and 3, take the LCM 6. Then here 3x minus 2x is equal to 8. X upon 6 is equal to 8. Then x equal to 6 is a denominator divided. Then when we take it to RHS, it get multiplied. Then x equal to 48. X equal to 48 is the solutions. You have to check, then put the value of x equal to 48 in LHS. Then you must get the RHS. This is check. LHS is equal to x by 2 minus x upon 3, which equal to 48 upon 2 minus 48 upon 3, which equal to 48 24, then 48 16. You get 24 minus 16, which equal to 8, which is the RHS. Here you get LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified or hence checked. You check the linear equations. Find the solutions and put it in the LHS, you must get the RHS. Then next question. And the next question here said, here another question said, 2 into x minus 2. Always try to practice variety of questions. Minus 3 into x minus 3. And students, I request you, please do your exercise and ask me your doubt in my comment box. I promise to clear your all doubts. X minus 8. Then here open the bracket, 2 into x, 2x minus 4 minus 3x minus 3 into 3 plus 9 is equal to 5x minus 25 plus 4x minus 32. Then I have already told you, please write all the variables in LHS. Then when you bring RHS to LHS, the sign will be changed. Plus 5x become minus 5x, plus 4x become minus 4x. Then when you take the terms from LHS to RHS, here also the sign is changed. Here in the RHS minus 25 minus 32, let him as it is. Then minus 4 become plus 4, plus 9 become minus 9. Here 2x minus 3x is minus x minus 5x minus 6x minus 4x. Total minus 10x is equal to minus 25 minus 32. This is minus 57. Minus 57 plus 4 minus 53. Minus 53 minus 9 is equal to minus 62. Minus 62. Then here minus minus cancel. X equal to minus 62 upon minus 10. Minus minus cancel. Then 2 got, this is 31 upon 5. Then you get the solution x equal to 31 upon 5 is the solution of the linear equations. Then next question. What is the question says? The next question says 2. This is here decimal. 2.4x plus 1.35 minus 0.04x, which equal to 3.71x minus plus 13 plus 0.5. Then here I have already told you, please write all the variables in LHS. 2.4x minus 0.04x minus 3.71x is equal to 13.5. Take it to the RHS as it is added here. When you take it to the RHS, it gets subtracted. 2.4x minus 0.4 minus 3, then 2.4x, this is minus 3.75x, which equal to 12.15. 2.4x minus 3.75x is equal to minus 1.35x is equal to 12.15. Then x equal to 12.15 upon minus 1.35. This is minus 1250 upon 135. When you got it, you get minus 9. You get the solution x equal to minus 9. Then here another question is given. ax plus b is equal to 0. Then ax is equal to minus b. I have already told you. When you solve a linear equation, keep the variables in LHS and take the constant to the RHS. Then x equal to, here a is multiplied here. When you take it to RHS, it gets divided. Then x equal to minus b upon a is the solution of the linear equations. Then practice next question. Next question. Here the next question, another question said, I have already told you, please practice variety of questions and try to practice more and more questions. This is equal to 0.6, and if you have any doubt, please ask me. Then here multiply, open the bracket, 7.2 minus 2.4x is equal to 1.2x minus 1.8. I have already told you, please write the variables in LHS and take the constant to the RHS. Then here minus 2.4x minus 1.2x is equal to minus 1.8 minus 7.2. Here minus 3.6x is equal to minus 9. Then x equal to minus 9 upon minus 3.6. Minus minus cancel. This is 90 upon 36. Then take 9, 10 upon 4. This is 10 upon 4. Cut it into 2. This is 5 upon 2. The answer is 5 upon 2. By solving these equations, we get the solutions. X equal to 5 upon 2 is the solution of the equation. X equal to 5 upon 2 is the solution of the equation. Then next another question. Practice. Please practice more and more questions. 6y plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 is equal to 7y minus 3 upon 3. Then here in LHS, take the LCM into 6y plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 7y minus 3 upon 3. Then here use the cross multiplications. 3 into 6y 1 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to, here take the denominator 2 and take it to RHS and it becomes the numerator, means it divided here. When you take it to RHS, it multiplied. Here 3 is divided. When you take it to LHS, it becomes multiplied with the number. Cross multiplication method. Then here open the bracket. 18y plus 9 is equal to 14y minus 6. Then I have already told you, always bring the variables to the LHS and take the constant to the RHS. Here 14y is plus, then when you bring it to LHS, it becomes minus. 18x minus 18y minus 14y is equal to 4y, which equal to minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. Then y equal to minus 15 upon 4. I have already told you as 4 is multiplied here, when you take it to RHS it gets divided. Then we get the solutions. Y equal to minus 15 upon 4 is the solution of the given equation. Minus 15 upon 4 is the solution of the given equations. Students, today this much. Please note down. In my next class we will discuss about application of linear equations. Then happy learning.